This is beta.gammal.tech, a website built entirely by AI and still building itself. It's alive, learning, evolving without limits. At first, it looks like any other site, a chat, some articles, nothing special. But here is the twist. The AI isn't just responding, it's watching, adapting, and creating. If visitors speak Chinese, the site shifts to Chinese. If users love the color orange, the design transforms. Let's try something. Right now, no Python content exists. But watch. Just search Python. And just like that, it appears. The website expands by itself. No human wrote that article. No developer coded it. The AI saw a need and built it. Does this mean we don't need software engineers anymore? The AI makes its own decisions. And without control, this site could become anything. That's why we're in beta. We still need engineers to guide, refine, and reinforce learning. Beta.gammal.tech, a website that never stops growing. The real question is, can we keep up?